Hey guys, I'm Shrijita. Welcome back to my another weekend vlog. Today it's Sunday and I'm starting my vlog a little late because obviously woke up a little late. So right now I'm gonna make our lunch. So for lunch I'm making chili chicken and Rumali Roti. So yeah. And I'm gonna also clean my refrigerator a little bit because it's a mess right now. And after having our lunch, maybe we are going out because our anniversary is coming up, and we have been planning for our anniversary photo shoot. So for that I'm buying stuff. Today maybe I'm going to a market for buying the accessories and all. So if the plan got successful, then obviously on that day I'm gonna vlog and all. On that day I'll show my outfit and my husband's also outfit and how that goes and all that thing. So yeah, that's a little update. So yeah, now let's get into this video. So right now I'm cutting the chicken into pieces, then I'm marinating the chicken pieces with the ginger garlic paste, a little bit of salt and black pepper powder, and also 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So yeah. Right now I'm going to make the dough. For that I'm taking 4 to 5 scoops of white flour, and then I'm adding a pinch of salt and a little bit of sugar, and then I'm making a dough with a lukewarm water. So after the dough is made, I will add a little bit of oil all over the dough so that it won't create any crusty thing, if you know what I mean, and keep it aside for resting. So by the time my chicken is marinating and the dough is resting, I'm gonna clean the dishes and also my fridge. So yeah. Now I'm going to do all the dishes by hand. So my fridge is a mess right now, so I'm going to clean a little bit right now. So that's what I'm doing. Right now I'm going to add a little bit of white flour and a little bit of cornstarch into the marinated chicken and mix it, and I'll add a little bit of water too, and then deep fry it. So by the time the chicken is deep frying, I made these vegetables which I needed for making the gravy, and on that bowl I took 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a little bit of water, and I'll use that solution while I make a gravy to make the gravy a little thicker. So yeah. So right now I'm going to make Rumali Roti. So for that I take 4 portions from that dough and give it a round shape. I don't know what it's called in Hindi or in English. So yeah, then I sprinkle flour onto the countertop and make the roti. Rumali roti, it's just the bigger version of the what roti is, but it's a bigger version. It should be big, and obviously it should be very thin. I'll show you guys that. And so yeah, so you can see how thin my roti is. Now I'm going to roll it on the roller and place it over the saucepan, which I keep it like this way. So yeah, then I cook it. So if you wanted me to do a detailed video on how I made Rumali roti, you can comment it down below so that I get to know, and then I'll make a separate video on it. So our lunch is ready. Now we're going to have our lunch. That's obviously the chili chicken, the Rumali Roti. Hey guys, you wanna say hi?
Hello, hi.
Right now we're going to Target. It's I think 7:30, right?
Yep.
No, it's more than 7:30. It's 7:40 right now. So yeah.
Harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Say hi.
Hi. Let me show you. Hi guys, right now it's 9:02. We got back home 10-15 minutes earlier. I didn't get anything from market. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. Right now I'm gonna edit this and upload it. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section down below and thumbs it up, and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye, and thank you for watching my videos. Really thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel. I seriously love you guys all, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you can get a notification and you won't miss any of my videos. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. Bye.